nka raga mokone wa ntlhala ne nka raga before ke sign di divorce papers ke tlogana.
Now I'm not gonna lie, I'm happy. Promise foundation. Let us start from foundation. Foundation is right from the start. Very happily married people see their marriage as how every marriage is expected to be. Hey, I was no. I'm saying I am happy linyalola promisely fedile because even the foundation linyalola it was not right at all. Linyalolela that's why nearly teka. Linyalolela that's why nearly shaker. Kidi keledi za that lady. Dikeledi idwa inele dikeledi za that lady anale 7 months pregnant de promise ananyala. Ke tsona tsentseng linyalo lena le etse so le shake promise potso tla melenga iputsa na go rena ho baneng nna the husband ya some poster ko di social media a poster the right one promise ha ka iputsa that question only ke date ya go ikamohela hore this guy never loved me the guy azanga tla mo rate even from the start. Hona le ntwe ne ba kopantse le the guy azanga tla rate promise even the start. I'm still repeating reason why this guy obviously promised for so many years. Yaba hauna mohlamo postileng even one day. But in the 10 years of promise, yaba poster this guy he was ashamed of promise. This guy unas habisa promise. This guy was ashamed of promise. Kenete Mr. Makunya no na post ali one. Kenete. What if the guy is hating him for what? We had tracking the guy. We had tracking guys. We had tracking. Ki promise you can go the guy as a the guy ki chuchu. Harry when the promise you nasa can go the guy as well the guy ratabasadi. Hobalia now chilo. We say ha one lead the guy. Guys, if you like what you cannot have a sabatu. There was a girl before promise and then promise okay. Kita lijueta nana le batla ditabakir. Promise there was a girl before okay. What's going on? Now you're not kita dibua kir. Ya lijueta kir. Promise ha bua net. Ha lijueta netori. Since tenants is right from the start. The source has shoki. The source has shoki actually. There was a girl anaratana le this guy, le Mr. Makunyani. There was a girl anaratana le Makunyani in a family promise. Lankutwane. There was a girl anaratana le Mr. Makunyani in a family promise. Promise anka Mr. Makunyani ko ho family ya promise. Allegedly, I don't care about Usuya Musikita in court. I give you this. There was a girlfriend before. Okay, there was a girlfriend before promise. And then there was a girlfriend before promise. Ever promise you want ever who can shoki. La bonne Akir ever who can shoki. And then ever nini shoki were pregnant. Shoki have pregnant. Ever nini promise you who the guy. Like one and take you one guy. Problem is monna promise. Problem is monna promise. You know what promise you civil with the guy. Ha right to ratabasadi. Langutusi sagir. Langutusi sagir. Promise you rataneli this guy. Promise from Matoma. The first date ya kalau jolale. Umunkile from one of the family. Umunkile from one of promise the guy had to ratanali Mr. Makunyan. Omo from cousin in your high. La utlwa promise ya tona le Mr. Makunyani for the first time. Omo from cousin in your high. Yeah, yona no allegedly. Lunkutuli had ala the first relationship. Yabaning promise wa wana le Mr. Makunyani wa kena shoki. Yabaning harisariki shoki. Promise na le Mr. Makunyani. So I'm saying promise nanza about the guy. Ha right. Yes, I can even hey. Nakwanza nroga family ya hae kile mpitsa nakwanza nroga mo ino ba nna ke re taba tsa batho ha ke di bui ha ke no motsetsa go ya ko kae nakwanza nroga mo na family ya hae kile mpitsa ba nwa le nna tee social media nkine metsi na tlolo sa kwene nakwanza nroga ba mpitsa ga se ke fihla ka ntlong ba re ya ga ke fihla ka ntlong ba re ne ke sa tsamaya ke diwana ha ne ke tsamaya le mang ke kopa motho ne ke tsamaya le ena nkgopotse ha ne ke tsamaya le mang bana ba odile dintho tsa ka ne so ba mpitsa ka deliver ne ha ko deliver ha se ke fihla ka mo ntlong hey ke batla le ngopotse ne ke tsamaya le mang wa itse ke tlo gopola ke setlaela nna ke na ditšhomi tse ngata mare ke sa gopola ke ebane after na kwantsa nroga nkeneletse too much ebane neng ha se ke fihla ke no tshoka because she will recall like and then ebane neng ha ke fihla ka ntlong ba re yeah the world is too small na ke a le jetsa ke ha ke fihla ka ntlong ba re yeah wa tseba go motho ntse tabana le ena ke ngwana rona guys ke se ke kene ka ntlong ke le betsa ntinase ke se ke kene ka ntlong ba re wa tseba go motho ntse tabana le ena ke ngwana rona e tsa ke shawa somebody ka re tla ka bona tshwana le ena ka nnete ke kene ka ntlong ke ne se ke kene ka ntlong ke bua nnete ne ke ne se ke kene ka tlong a ke a di bua nako eno a ke ga tsang ke di bua ba nne se tsaka he ne se ke kene ka tlong a ke re so ha se ke kene ka tlong e tsa ke re tla ke bona ka re ene ka nnete jo se ke kene ka tlong there was no se no re nka gutlela morao mos ene motho ke tsamaya le ena ke mosile ke tshaba le bua ka because they will recall wa ba motho ke tsamaya le ena ke mosile ko koloi wa ba oh actually thank you le jotse what happened motho a na o dile ntho tsaka o phile address ka tsamaya ka mo ne ke na go re qabana thumasha santsana nrwa ka thumasha ba ebane ne motho nana o mpha address a re etla o kamisetsa dintho mara ke no tshokae ne ha ke fihla mola ebane ning o lata ko packing ne o lata a ke no e bua hantle go so that ke gone o lahlisa mohlala ke go le bona ba mmametsa ke batlo le qabanya ke ha ke fihla mola ebane ning ke latwa ke a tsa pula go ke latwe ke ha ke batlo di bua go di qaka wa bona ke tla sama go ke lokise seholo eba ke latwa ke somebody a lata nkisa ka tlong ka ha ke batlo ya ka ntlong a re mama go batla go bona wa ba a re mama go batla go bona mare kelelong ya ka ha ke nagane hore batho ba ba ntseba wa ba ha mama go batla ke no bitsa lebitso wa ba ha e ka tsamaya ka kena ka tlong immediately ke kena ka ntlong a tshwara monyako go monyako ha tshwara monyako o tlile plekeng e right wena ntse ro kana le ngwana rona di social media wena ntse ro kana le ngwana rona di social media le lwana le ngwana rona di social media and today o tlile mo habo wa bo a go tlile mo habo ka tsheya ke ka tlong ka tsheya wa bona ka tsheya wa bo itse ha ke re le maka a re ge maka a re sheba itse ha ke re ka ya matsohlo ka re bona we ene ke nnete a re sheba itse ha ke re ka re Jesu sedila ka mponise ke ka tlho motho ke tsamalena ke msile ka koloi ba kwalletse monyako ne ke le kokela story because se se fitile ke ba kwalletse monyako a ke itse ha re sheba.
Hi bazala bamzitho, welcome to Mkosi noMagatsheni. I am uMagatsheni. Umkosi wethu namhlanje bazala bamzitho is about uPromise Makunyane. Hey guys, you know what? One thing about indoda ne. Indoda ungayimeli ngisho isonta noma kuthiwa iyasonta moya ingcwele, iyasonta kuthiwa nje yaziwe endaweni kusabolo yayinciko. Ungayimeli indoda ngoba indoda iyajikelana. Akekho umuntu ohlaza uPromise njengendoda kaPromise now. Yabona nje ngoba siya record we making content on Promise. Akekho umuntu ohlaza uPromise njengendoda kaPromise now. now. And Queen Lee, they are exposing Promise every day just because they got the power from Indoda Promise. Guys, I don't know, like, let me just inside story because I know there's beef between the Promise Makunyana. No, yes, I do feel like Oam is dragging this thing, but I don't blame Oam. I don't wanna lie. I can't tell you ukuthi unyathela umuntu amakhonzi umuntu makasa akunyathela back bese uyakhala. Promise, guys, if we go back ne Queen Lilo oseka expose Promise. Promise ngelanga I remember Queen Lion's content athi she's tired abantu abashadile the exes if umshado ulula abo my husband this, my husband that. Promise waba uSinderella gcwesi cathi uQueen Lee asho ukuthi angikwazi ngokwazi wathi she won't entertain mid-life crisis, something like that. She was saying uQueen Lee mdala ngitshela athi uQueen Lee uphetha ama mid-life crisis. Queen Lee wathi makamphendula wathi uQueen Lee wrong. Promise kwacabana noRato Kganyago athi yena unemali abantu uRato Kganyago avele ngoba uyenza ngathi unemali akanamali, she can't afford impilo ephezulu, achoma ngemali le ndoda. Promise kwacabana abantu abaningi athi lot of influencers ba ethengathi they afford Rolex indoda yakhe yamisa there. Promise the very same Promise Makunyana. Promise kwa interview indoda ka O1 bekangene ngandoda O1 bayangena ngandoda O1 because Big Guy, we know Big Guy through O1 as much as Ubaba Makunyane through her. How will she feel now if someone would interview Ubaba Makunyane, give that man a platform? And on that interview, she said, she believed Big Guy more than Owami, and she felt like Big Guy needed a platform with his side of the story. Could you Promise? Promise was so confident. I remember the podcast Gogo Skoseni athi she want abantwana bakhe bayi-2. Gogo Skoseni wathi no, wazomenzela example athi nginengane ezi-3 umuntu unengane ezi-3. I always say I have 6 kids. Wena uthi unabantwana bayi-2 kanjani? Wathi nangangeni kubo baby mama, angeni endabeni zabo baby mama yena ufocus ebantwaneni bakhe ayi-1. Namhlanje indoda yakhe seyishadile, that means namhlanje indoda yakhe is in a relationship ne-2000. If indoda yakhe ishadile 2000, that means naye kumele ayicela maintenance kule 2000 because that is her own words. Sathi masimkhuza uPromise wathi singenaphi ngoba thina sibuya ku-broken families, abazali bethu bahlukana, as if ukhona umntana ozalwe ezulwini athi ngicela nje namhlanje njengoba ngizalwa kulo mshado abazali bami bazohlukana. She didn't understand ukuthi i-divorce bayenzani. If you do not know i-divorce bayenzani, abantwana bakhe uzoyifila manje bantwaneni. Bekakhuluma as if abomama laba abadivorce amadoda they failed to choose happiness abantwana babo, they failed to choose happiness ye-family, and they decided to choose themselves and be selfish. Bekasho kanjalo, khuluma kanjalo ngama-divorcee Promise. Athi people are divorcing because they grew up in broken families, they grew up kubazali abangasekho together. Kusho ukuthi naye abantwana bakhe they'll divorce because now they'll be growing up in broken families. Promise. And into ebuhlungu Promise mawuthi amkhuza kakhuzeka. You know ukhona umuntu asho into ne, I can say something now, then abantu bathi wrong akukhulunywa kanjalo. I need to say sorry, ngimbone wrong wami ngingadazi ngikani. The only person engibona qosa kayo Lerato Kganyago, I don't know whether Lerato has accepted the apology since sekatshela nokuthi usibuha sawubuha, that means uthanda ukubona and you love ngathi bragging about things that you do not have or you can't even afford. Kusho Promise kuLerato. So guys, I don't feel sorry for Promise. I don't lie. I do not feel sorry for Promise, and I feel like Ipenyara Oam is justified. Imshado Promise didn't even last for 7 years. Oam last for almost 10 years. Didn't even last for 7 years. She gave this man everything, but the man yet rejected. She gave this man everything. Impilo was revolving around this man. Uzobona ukuthi masithi indoda noma ngayinikani. Indoda ingakushiya la une-PhD ihambe ethana nentombazane ngane even no grade 10. Uyinika imali, uyakhela abantwana ube muhle, uyakhela umuzi, uyenzela abantwana ube muhle, niphila impilo ehalelwayo, ikushiye kunjalo. Yozilandela nje intombazane uSbosh uno grade 10 because happiness ayikho lapho. One thing about amadoda, they always choose happiness yabo. I don't feel sorry, but namhlanje nakuvela igaca every day kuthiwa indoda ka Promise Makunyana, he was once in a relationship ne-cousin ka-Promise. So uPromise ushaye i-cousin yakhe Stine. Yabona ukuthi inyembezi ka-cousin. Yabona ukuthi inyembezi cousin. Kuthiwa this guy, he was once in a serious relationship ne-cousin kaPromise. Yeka ukusho ukuthi wena uthandane nomuntu okwathandana ne-cousin yakho. Wathandana nomuntu okwathandana endaweni yangakini. Le muntu lo washinta intombazane 7 months pregnant washada wena. You didn't see anything wrong. You didn't say anything wrong. I remember athi my husband uthe abangicela masicela ukuzala uzongibhadalela iBBL noyenza umzimba. Nangoke. She was making a video. She can't even afford the phone 5,000 now. Umntwana uphula ifoni. I don't feel sorry for Promise. I'm sorry guys, but I do not feel sorry for that woman. I don't, because I feel like akamboni wrong wakhe. Yabona ngabe bekamboni lo wrong asho ukuthi guys lana ngiyaxolisa. Ngiyabona yakhe nowami ngabe uxolisile ukuthi I'm sorry for this, I'm sorry for this. Ngabe kungcono. But I do not feel sorry for Promise, and she'll learn ukuthi even next time ungathi mawunengane bona abantu abanganengane bona ngathi bona they are not blessed enough or they are useless. Ungathi mawushadile bona ngathi abantu abangashadanga they are not blessed enough or they are useless. Ungathi mawu-successful elifini uNkulunkulu akublessile akunike yonke into, then you think abantu abangablesswanga they do not work hard enough. You are just blessed. And you should be grateful, and you should know ukuthi lokho onganalokho nako it's not like uthi uyathanda naye uyafisa ukuba lakho ukuthi uNkulunkulu akathanda ngoba la emhlabeni sebenza intando kaJehova ayi-1 and akanamsizi. So bazalwa bami, that is all for now. Please like, comment and share. Nginithanda ukuya nokubuya.